We're dealing with a condition called diabetes mellitus, also known as sweet diabetes. The very first thing to know is precisely where that name originates from. Why is it simply called diabetes? And why is the term mellitus or sweet used in particular? In the past, before diagnostic tools existed, people noticed some individuals would suddenly develop problems, and this included increased urination. The individual urinates frequently and excretes large volumes of urine, hence the name diabetes, derived from the word diuresis, meaning to urinate. So someone who urinates a lot, or a condition where there is a lot of urine, then one sees ants gathering all around the area where they urinate. They realize that it probably tasted like something that, judging by the taste, ants would go to where someone urinated. That's why it's called diabetes mellitus. Mellitus means sweet or sugary. As time went on, more and more diagnostic and treatment options became widely available for diabetes, and that's what we'll discuss further in this segment. The human body truly and absolutely needs two essential substances to function very well. Our cells use oxygen and glucose, a sugar derived from the food we consume, as the primary fuel source, essentially burning the glucose to generate and provide the energy to efficiently power their diverse and vital biological activities continuously throughout the entire body. Furthermore, sugar is absolutely essential for the creation of a wide range of substances. Indeed, it's a key component of many materials produced within the human body, forming the fundamental framework and physical structure. As a result, sugar is a vital substance, not simply a frivolous one. Everything has its limit. If it's less than it should be, problems definitely arise. And if it exceeds its proper measure, significant problems are indeed created. When the body gradually loses its inherent ability to properly use sugar in its metabolic process, the resulting problem is often a significant increase in the blood sugar level. Since sugar is no longer used, it isn't properly metabolized. Consequently, the sugar level or amount in the blood increases significantly. On one hand, the increased sugar itself definitely causes quite a few problems for the individual concerned. On the other hand, because the body can't use that sugar effectively, it creates its own unique and quite troublesome complications. I always use the example that a diabetic person's body is like a famine-stricken capitalist. They have plenty of sugar. He's got plenty of money, but absolutely no bread at all, you see. He has sugar, but sadly can't really use it properly, unfortunately. So any sign of low blood sugar can potentially, in fact, quite easily appear in people with high blood sugar too sometimes. Because although blood sugar is high, the body can't use it effectively. Unfortunately, nowadays, with people's modern lifestyles, very readily available foods, increasingly easier living overall, substantially less physical activity, steadily rising stress levels, plus so many interconnected health issues we'll discuss in much more detail over time. This is common. Diabetes and high blood pressure are really significant health, medical, economic, and social problems for a large number of populations all around the world. It's not limited to one specific community or country. In fact, it's a global issue that affects everyone. Unfortunately, the entire world is grappling with these two diseases. And if national healthcare systems pay less attention to this critical issue over time, more people will inevitably become infected, leading to further potential health complications and significant burdens in the future. In our society, over 13% of people are affected by diabetes. In fact, roughly twice the number of diabetics, approximately 26%, also suffer from high blood pressure. And that is a problem. So a high percentage of people in society actually deal with these two conditions.